The Journey to Fluency, a girl's guide to improving English. In a lively town where people spoke different languages, there lived a girl named Mira. She was bright, friendly, and loved to explore new things. But there was one thing Mira always wished she could do better: speak English fluently. Mira had learned English in school, but she often felt shy and nervous when speaking it. She struggled with pronunciation, found it hard to remember words, and sometimes didn't understand what others were saying. This made her feel frustrated, especially when she saw her friends speaking English so easily. Determined to improve, Mira decided to take action. She knew that to get better at English, she had to practice, learn new things, and most importantly, not be afraid of making mistakes. One day, Mira made a plan. She would practice English every day, no matter how small the effort seemed. She started by listening to English songs and watching English movies. At first, it was difficult to understand everything, but she didn't give up. She used subtitles to help her, repeating phrases she liked and even singing along to her favorite songs. This helped her with pronunciation and getting used to the rhythm of the language. Next, Mira began reading English books. She started with simple stories, just like the ones she had read as a child. She kept a notebook by her side where she wrote down new words and their meanings. Every day, she would try to use these words in sentences, making sure she remembered them. Mira also started speaking English with her family and friends. She knew they wouldn't laugh at her mistakes, so she felt comfortable trying new words and sentences. Her mother would often correct her gently, helping her improve without making her feel bad. Over time, Mira noticed that she was becoming more confident in speaking. But Mira didn't stop there. She wanted to immerse herself in the language even more. So, she joined an English speaking club at her school. Every week, the members would meet and talk about different topics in English. At first, Mira felt nervous, but she soon realized that everyone was there to learn, just like her. The more she spoke, the easier it became. One day, during one of the club meetings, the teacher announced that there would be a school debate competition. Mira hesitated. She had never spoken in front of a large audience, especially not in English. But her desire to improve was stronger than her fear. She decided to participate. Mira prepared diligently for the debate. She practiced her speech in front of the mirror, recorded herself speaking to hear how she sounded, and even asked her friends to listen and give feedback. The more she practiced, the more confident she felt. The day of the debate arrived, and Mira was both excited and nervous. As she stood on stage, she took a deep breath and began her speech. At first, her voice trembled, but as she continued, she found her rhythm. She spoke clearly and passionately, remembering everything she had practiced. When she finished, the audience applauded, and Mira felt a sense of accomplishment she had never experienced before. After the debate, Mira's teacher praised her for her improvement and encouraged her to keep practicing. Mira realized that learning a language was like a journey. It required time, effort, and a lot of practice. But most importantly, it required believing in yourself and not being afraid to try. As the months passed, Mira continued to work on her English. She read more books, joined online English forums, and even started writing a journal in English. She knew she wasn't perfect, but she was proud of how far she had come. One day, Mira was asked to give a speech at a school event. This time, she didn't hesitate. She walked up to the stage, took the microphone, and spoke confidently in English. As she looked out at the audience, she realized something important. English was no longer a barrier for her, it had become a bridge to new opportunities and friendships. Mira's journey to improving her English was not easy, but it was worth it. She learned that with determination, practice, and a positive attitude, anything was possible. She had transformed from a shy girl who was afraid to speak English into a confident speaker who embraced challenges. And so, Mira continued her journey, knowing that she had the tools and the confidence to keep improving, not just in English, but in anything she set her mind to.